Micemani-ini yao ya kiuteti atongoria ngwataniro-ini ya NASA makoretwo makihinyiriria arumiriri ao magaikara ceceni-ini cia guikiria kura o nginya matigirire kura ni ciatarwo na maumirira manirirwo.
Jioni wakifunga kituo vijana wanabaki hapo nje. Sawa? Sawa? Aje ndio wako kule ndani. Sasa ile wanahesabu tunahesabu. Wanajumlisha tunajumlisha. Wanarusha tunarusha. Wanatangaza tunatangaza. Sawa?
No riu minista wa ugitiri wa thiini ni yathite maabitha a ugitiri matikanetikirie andu maikare ceceni-ini ici o tiga aria mahitukitio ni IEBC uhoro uria Mwahu wa NASA utaretikania naguo.
We will protect credentials officers of the electoral process, including party agents. Anyone else who's not a credentialed officer, I urge you to be so firm with them and clear them and keep them very far away from every polling station in this country.
Mr. Matiang'i particularly has attacked our plans, which we will continue with, and will ensure those plans are implemented. That are the polling stations, other than having our polling agents who will be inside the polling station.
Kuringana na Orengo, undu uyu uronania thirikari iri na njama ya gukaia kura, akiuga watho ta uyu ufatie kuma tu kuri IEBC.
The executive is trying to play a role which we have fought for in the past, to try and make sure that the executive, or rather the role of the executive, is limited in the conduct of the elections.
Mufango-ini uria uretwo adopt a polling station, Mwahu wa NASA ukoretwo ukibanga na andu angi atano makiria ma agent ao aria mafatie guikara cemba ceceni-ini ici cia guikiria kura kurora uria maundu marathie na mbere. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.